Okay, so welcome to the this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be deploying a project with Node.js and MongoDB uh, on our system. So we can see how to deploy our project. So the project is currently in the project folder in the doubt solving, and here's this. The first step is to open the project folder in the VS Code. For this, you have to right click and click on the Open with Code button. If you have installed VS Code correctly according to the instruction mentioned previously, the Open with Code button is appearing in the right click menu. Just click Open with Code. The VS Code window has been opened. Now we have to just open the project. So let's uh, first of all let's open the terminal by clicking the command Control plus J. Then in this terminal, first we have to start the socket server. So for starting the socket server, type the command cd socket and hit enter. So now we are in the socket server. Then now we have to install the all the dependencies for the socket server. For this, we have to click yarn. Just click yarn and it will install all the dependencies. So yarn gives the error. So instead we should use npm install. npm install in the socket server. So now all the packages have been installed. So it may take some time according to the size of the project. So now in the dependency of the socket folder has been installed in the node modules folder. So now let's see what is the command of the socket by just clicking on the package.json, and here is the command for running the server. So let's type in node npm. So let's type the command of mentioned in the script section, node server.js. On clicking enter, it says error. So now npm run start. Now the error has been resolved. So let's now run the other server. So let's run the backend server. So for this you have to type cd api and hit enter. Then click on yarn. Yarn is currently disabled. So then click npm install to install all the dependencies. Somehow yarn is broken, so don't worry. Will It's okay. You can use already use. Okay, so the node modules have been will be installing. So node module will be installed. So let's check the what is the command for the API. So let's see in the package json.com, we have to start node index.js. So now the backend is started and the database is connected. So now we have to just start the front-end server. So for this you have to go to cd client and type npm install. Wait a minute, let me check this issue. Okay, so in the client here it is not the front-end folder, so we need to go in the router folder to cd Doubt tab, and now here let's see it is this the project. Nice. So we have to type npm install. So now the npm dependency for the front end is also installing. In the meanwhile, let's check on the database by typing mongodb compass and hit enter. Okay, so MongoDB has been, so let's open the, so accordingly our database has been created. For example, here the route has been created. Here are the various collections and comments, conversation, messages, post, users. There are various sections. So let's close this. Now all the dependency of frontend has been installed. So let's type the command to run the frontend. Npm run dev. On clicking this, the front end will be running. Now it will start it. We have to just click on the link by control click. Let's open in the Google Chrome. So now here's the doubt solving app is installed. So here's the website. Here's the full project has been installed. So that's how you can, so all the functionality has been done. Login page, the sign up page, all the pages. So that's how you can install the Node.js and MongoDB projects on a new system. Okay.